Hello, this is vegetarian bodybuilder, and now I just finished the day one training with the Bikram Hot Yoga. Today comes to a shock as I come out of the shopping. For some reason, they start charging money for parking instead of 3-hour free parking. Now it's 2 hours. But putting the time into shower, it's impossible to get it out unless I change the car position and then coming back, which is a lot of hassle. That's right, today is the day one training and I completed. I'm pretty excited. So I have 48 more days to go. So by the end of it, my fat is gone, 6-pack and big muscles. And now I just cook my dinner. So let me show you what vegetarian bodybuilder eat. See, I have spinach, a lot of spinach, and cooked in a curry soup, and some tofu skin. This is gonna give me good source of protein, so I can build my muscles strong. This is vegetarian bodybuilder. I'll see you in day 2, day 3, day 4, every day. Check my video. Like my video. Thank you. Have an incredible day.